Hi, my name is Franz, and I'll show you today how to remove the background and change it in Wondershare Filmora. Okay, we have two videos. One is with green screen background, another one is with the black one. It can be any color, but it has to be plain. But if it's green or blue, it's easier to remove those colors. So this is our new background we choose. Let's drag and drop it into our timeline and put it at the very bottom. And if it's green background we want to remove, it's very easy. If I said, let's drag and drop our video, and you see now we can see only this video because the background is not transparent. Let's do right click of your mouse and choose video, Chroma Key, and as you see, automatically, because the background was green, it was removed. And then you can change a little bit our video. Let's do mouse to stay like here. But as you can see, those colors are different, so you have to work a little bit with those offset, tolerance, edge thickness and edge feather sliders, and to find the reposition which is the best for your video. I think now it's better. Okay, so it was green screen, and let's remove it and choose black screen, not green. Okay, let's do again right click on our video, choose video, Chroma Key, and here you can choose the color you want to remove. You can choose it like that, black one, or let's do Ctrl Z. You can click on the dropper and click on the color you want to remove on your video. You see now it became transparent, and that's it. Actually, you can remove not only background, you can remove whatever, like clicking dropper, clicking here, and clicking dropper, clicking here, and so on. Okay, let's remove our background, and that's it. Change the duration of our new background to do it the same like the duration of the video, and that's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!